open this up. I think I need scissors for it too. Guys, this is what I always ask your parents if you want to use scissors. Guys, now we can open this secret box. Shh. Whoa! Our own. We got our own. She had a secret in her.
Wow!
We have our own. Guys, you think what I'm thinking? You think what I'm thinking? Let's go put it on. Oh, first you have to cut that thing. I got some bobos, guys. But look, these come out in their own colors. It's like yellow. They boxed up my favorite colors. It's yellow, dark pink, and light pink. Look, it's like all like a rainbow. But no friends. No friends.
No friends!
I'm gonna press the yellow one. It's like it reminds me of the sun, because it reminds me when I brush it, when it comes up in the mornings. Brushing her hair. Now look how smooth her yellow. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Like all the colors. They're super pretty. I want to put them on my hair now. I'm so excited, guys. Guys, look. Now I got my pretty hair. It's so prettier than yours. Chicken, I don't want to make you all sad. Wow, guys. Look at it. Hey. Hey. Guys. You don't know who this is. It's just me. So guys, my hair was so pretty just before. Now it looks even prettier. And I really want my hair to be cotton candy so I can eat it. But I don't want to eat it like, these are like all short. Because that is really crazy. Right! Guys, I loved it, but it's just like a brush. Thank you, brushing my hair. The bows came with it. It's so pretty. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm sorry this is quick, but I got a lot more in the future. Subscribe if you're new to be in the Squid Squad. Bye!